días, amigos! We are still here in Tossa de Mar and I want to show you what it looks like outside. It's cloudy, but like there is a bit of beautiness, so let me show you. So this is our view. Oh, look. It's absolutely beautiful. Yeah, and by the way, if you're wondering what's with my hair, I use this heatless hair curler because there's no point in burning my hair, especially when I'm traveling to areas where it's really humid, because like in a few hours my hair will be all puffy and like frizzy again. So yeah, I got it from Shein actually, but let me just undo it and show you how my hair will look like. It's really long, that's what I like about it, and it keeps it really well. And because it's not that foam tube, you can sleep really well. I mean, it's not bothering me at all. It's really, really soft. So yeah, I will be back. Well, this is how it looks like just after I take it out. The curls will drop, but it's definitely better than last night. Yeah, you can see. It's really, really pretty. I even like it this way, so yeah. It will last about, I don't know, a few hours, maybe half a day in this humid area. But yeah, I really like it. As for the outfit of today, I have this white body paired with black jeans and my white sneakers. And I don't know if I should keep this beige coat or I have that dusty plum color rain jacket, really cute. Maybe you've seen it in my previous Costa del Sol vlog. I think it really depends on the weather. If it will be rainier, then I think I will change it, but for now I think I will stick with this because I really like how it goes, everything all together. So right now we will go have breakfast because we have breakfast included, and after that, I don't know, we will see what we will do today. So, as you know, for breakfast I usually prefer pastry, a melon, we have some cheese, I think this is Spanish tortilla, and ham, and my coffee. Mike is having savory food as always. Bon appetit! And the best part is this view, guys, oh my goodness! Look at this, look how beautiful and sunny it is. at that sky. It is so not pretty. Yeah, Tossa de Mar is so worth visiting. We would like to come back sometime, maybe in the summertime, so we can enjoy the pool and take a swim in the sea. It was really nice. The old town is really pretty. Murallas de Tossa de Mar is really pretty, that fortress. Yeah, you definitely have something to visit here. We had such a nice time, and we managed to take that beach couple photo. Not the best, but for a start it was fine. Maybe next time I can wear a dress. Yeah, so right now we're going to Barcelona, straight to the hotel. We will do the check-in, and after that we will go grocery shopping so we can have something to eat for the next day's breakfast. And after that, if it's not raining, we will go see something. We will take a walk, and this way at least in the next few days we won't have to rush things. If it will be nice during sunset, we will go up on a hill. It has such a beautiful view of the city, but yeah, we will see. We got 2 cheeseburgers to eat quickly now. We have hummus for tomorrow with bread, pepperoni, Mikey got 2 mini hairsprays. This juice with it's a fruit and milk. It's really delicious. Every time I come to Spain, I have to get this. And we have some ham. So with that being said, we're going back to the parking lot. We actually left the car right near our hotel. I mean, not very far, really close, in the parking lot of the hospital. It's about 7 euros per day, which is very convenient at the hotel. Last time it was 30. I don't know how much it would cost now, but it doesn't matter. We're gonna get our backpacks and we're gonna eat, and after that we will see. Actually, we decided to eat the burgers now. They are quite small, but they will do. Okay, so we decided to go and see Casa Batlló and Casa Milà. I changed to this rain jacket that I was talking about this morning. I'm sorry, this is the only way I can show it to you in the bathroom. But yes, actually we're going by foot. We will see. Hopefully it won't rain. This way we can cross off these two things from my list. Vamonos, it's gonna be fun! Oh my goodness! Free carrots! How cool! I actually saw one back there on the other street and I thought that, I don't know, maybe he escaped from somewhere, but no! Wow, that's cool.
On our way to Casa Milà, we stopped at this little cafe to enjoy a hot matcha latte and an espresso. By the time we arrived at one of Gaudi's famous designs, there was some sort of loud event going on with sparklers, plus it started raining, so we decided to go back to the hotel and visit it the next day, as scheduled. See you tomorrow!